Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to get QR code for Instagram page. And here's how. Instagram formerly offered a feature called name tags, which you might still see on your profile, but they are altering it completely to make QR codes the default instead. The benefit of a real QR code is that you can print it, for example, or put it on a monitor like I have here at your business. And people can scan it to go to your Instagram profile and follow you there, shop, or see more details about your business. You could also create a tag that other people can use to scan and then jump into your profile and follow you or buy things from your business profile, whatever it may be. Therefore, it is a pretty useful tool for commercial use. If you don't want to enter in someone's profile, you can still use it by asking for their QR code, then scanning it that way. Thus, allow me to access your phone. Open the Instagram app, navigate to your profile, and select Settings. Press the three dots at the top of the screen. A QR code should appear on this page. Let me click that to send me to this page where I have some alternatives. Right now, yours may still be labeled name tag, but that will change to this QR code mode. The option labeled selfie option is the one that is directly on top. It allows me to alter the background color from this one to an emoji one. Now that I am back to color, I can alter the backdrop color by simply tapping anywhere between the word color and the QR code itself. And there are a ton of alternatives accessible. For example, if I touch on one of the emojis below, I can search via this app for pretty much any emoji that my phone is capable of finding, and I can adjust the backdrop in that manner. Let me take a look up here, for instance, and I could alter that to something else like a background. Lastly, there is the selfie option where you essentially put your face there. Snap a photo, and then you may always choose to retake it by clicking the retake button on top. If you want to redo that, simply click the little app arrow there to save it. From there, you can send it to yourself, print it, send it as a text message, or scan the QR code. If I choose to scan the code, this will appear on my screen, and I can then select View Profile. I was able to scan the QR code using the camera app on my iPhone. The same method worked on my Android device. Additionally, I was able to open Instagram directly into that profile by tapping the icon at the top. It's extremely helpful, especially for businesses. I understand that the name tag option confused some people and they didn't realize the advantages, but QR code can be quite helpful. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.